Making our headlines this Monday, November 3rd. 2 cases of foot and mouth disease prompts a health alert over the Halloween weekend. 65 Cayman donors answer Jamaica's emergency call for blood. The national budget takes center stage as Parliament reconvenes, and CONCACAF's football president visits Cayman. And welcome to CIGtv News, the official source for the latest and most accurate government information. I'm Kafara Augustin. With Halloween trick-or-treating over the weekend, health officials were urging parents to watch for signs of hand, foot, and mouth disease after 2 cases were confirmed among primary school students. The Public Health Department issued the alert as a precaution, warning that the viral infection spreads easily through close contact, coughing, sneezing, and touching contaminated surfaces, all common during Halloween festivities. The illness typically starts with fever, sore throat, and reduced appetite, followed by painful mouth ulcers and a rash or blisters on the hand, feet, or buttocks. Children may also appear tired and irritable. If your child shows any of these symptoms, keep them home from school until the fever is gone and blisters have dried. Most children recover within 7 to 10 days, and the illness is typically mild. There's no vaccine or specific treatment, only over-the-counter medications to relieve fever and pain. Children can return to school once they're fever-free, no longer drooling from mouth sores, have no open blisters, and feel well enough to participate. The Public Health Department is working closely with the Department of Education and school administrators to monitor the situation and prevent further spread. For more information, contact the Public Health Department at 244-2621 or 244-2648. In other news, 65 local residents rolled up their sleeves in just 2 days to donate blood that could save more than 120 Jamaican lives in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. That's more than 6 times the blood bank's typical daily turnout, with 13 first-time donors joining the effort to help the island nation devastated by the storm. On Friday, 51 units of red cells and 72 units of plasma departed on a Cayman Airways flight, accompanied by Dr. Lundy Richards, who leads the HSA's blood bank services and is himself Jamaican. Dr. Richards said, and quote, "As a Jamaican, the support that Cayman has shown has left a profound effect on me. This is truly humanity in one of its greatest forms, the opportunity to give blood and give Caymankind to our neighbors in need." The blood products arrived at Jamaica's National Blood Transfusion Service for island-wide distribution to hospitals treating storm victims. Jamaica's Honorary Consul in Cayman, Dr. Marzuka, coordinated the effort and was moved by the response, stating, quote, "This donation strengthens the bond between our islands and shows that life-saving care knows no borders," end quote. But officials stress this is just the beginning. Blood has a 35-day shelf life, meaning the need for donors continues both for Jamaica's recovery and Cayman's own blood supply. To donate, call the Cayman Islands Blood Bank at 244-2674 or visit bloodbank.ky. On Wednesday, November 5th, members of Parliament will return to the House to debate the national budget, the blueprint for how government finances will be spent for over the next 2 years. The third meeting of the 2025-2026 session kicks off at 2 p.m., with MPs set to scrutinize the appropriation bill covering financial years 2026 and 2027. But the budget isn't the only significant item on the agenda. 5 new bills would be introduced, including legislation that could reshape how Caymanians challenge government decisions and strengthen the island's telecommunications infrastructure. Also up for debate are amendments to beneficial ownership transparency rules and immigration transition procedures. MPs will also table annual reports from various government ministries and departments, providing accountability and how public institutions performed over the past year. Those wishing to attend Parliament can register with security upon arrival at the Parliament building, but if you can't make it to the House in person, then you can watch proceedings live on CIGtv cable channel and the government's YouTube channel or listen to Radio Cayman. Now for today's sports news. Last week, CONCACAF President Victor Montagliani made an official visit to the Cayman Islands. Included in his itinerary was a meeting with Premier the Honorable Andre Ebanks, Minister for Planning the Honorable J. Ebanks, and Minister of Sports the Honorable Isaac Rankin. The meeting's discussion focused on the Cayman Islands Football Association's development projects and how to create more opportunities for youth through sport. During his visit, President Montagliani presented the Honorable Premier with a custom CONCACAF jersey, while Minister Ebanks and Minister Rankin were presented with a black CONCACAF ball as a token of partnership and unity through sport. Mr. Montagliani's visit to the Cayman Islands forms part of a regional tour to strengthen relationships with CONCACAF member nations and to advance the growth of football across the region. Now for a look at weather. Tonight, we can expect partly cloudy skies with cloudy spells and a 40% chance of overnight showers with possible thunder. Winds will be light and variable, while seas will be slight with wave heights of 1 to 3 feet. The outlook is for similar weather conditions through Wednesday afternoon. For local weather updates, be sure to visit the Cayman Islands National Weather Service website, that's weather.gov.ky, and follow their Facebook page for the most reliable coverage. If you're watching us on the CIG YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed with the facts straight from the source. That's all for today's news brief. I'm Kafara Augustin. Have a good evening. We'll see you again tomorrow.